The Asus Vivobook 16X is a mid-range laptop that is geared towards power users and casual gamers. This laptop has a sleek design and it is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable laptop that can handle a variety of tasks. In this video, I am going to review the Asus Vivobook 16X powered by Intel Core i5 13th generation processor, and this is a mid-range laptop that looks very premium. So let's start the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Starting with the design and build quality, the Asus Vivobook 16X has a slim and sleek design that is perfect for people who want a laptop that is easy to carry around. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, which is relatively lightweight for a 16-inch laptop. This laptop also looks slim and it is highly portable. The laptop chassis is made of aluminum, which gives it a premium look and feel. It feels sturdy enough for a medium-range device. Both the keyboards and deck base are made of plastics, but they feel sturdy and well built. The laptop's 180-degree hinge allows you to lay it flat on a surface, making it easier to collaborate with others. The display of this laptop is very beautiful. It has a 16-inch WUXGA IPS display with a good resolution. Its slim bezels gives it a great edge-to-edge look. The display features a brightness of 300 nits, which is bright enough for indoor and outdoor use, and excellent color accuracy with images being sharp and clear. Also, its anti-glare coating makes the Vivobook that much easier to use in bright environment, especially when outside or in a really brightly lit room. Here I am going to play a video for 30 seconds. You can see this video and enjoy the picture quality. Keyboard and touchpad. The Asus Vivobook 16X has a full-size backlit keyboard with a narrow numeric keypad. Keys are well spaced and have a good travel distance, making it quite comfortable to type for long periods of time, and a decent amount of key travel, which gives it a decent tactile feel. The touchpad is large and responsive, equipped with a Windows Precision touchpad driver, which provides accurate tracking and smooth scrolling. Coming to the performance, the model we have is a mid-ranger powered by Intel Core i5 13th generation processor, which is very powerful compared to the 12th generation processor. Memory-wise, it has 16 GB of memory, will prove sufficient for most of your daily tasks, but don't expect it to hold up that well in the long run, especially since it's not equipped with the latest DDR5 spec RAM. The laptop has a M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD, which provides fast read and write speed. Coming to the graphics, yes, it comes with the GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, which is a mid-range graphics card that can handle most of the modern games. Coming to the connectivity, the Asus Vivobook 16X has a 42 Wh battery, which is relatively small for a 16-inch laptop. In the battery test we have seen online, and according to our usage, I have not used this laptop much to tell you the exact battery life, but it will give you somewhere around 5 to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. However, the laptop does support fast charging and it can charge up to 60% in under an hour. That is useful feature for people who are always on the go. Coming to the connectivity options, the laptop has one USB 3.2 generation 1 Type-C port, which can be used for charging and data transfer, one USB 3.2 generation 1 Type-A port, one HDMI 2.1T MDS port, and a 3.5 audio jack, and an SD 4.0 card reader, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.0. Coming to the sound quality is also amazing. So here I'm going to play a sound clip For 30 seconds, you can listen to the sound and judge the sound quality. To conclude with, it's a good mid-ranger as I said before, and offers excellent performance and feature for its price. The Asus boasts a sleek design and good selection of ports and connectivity options, and a decent keyboard and touchpad with enough performance option to enable you to power through all your daily tasks and then some. The laptop display is sharp and clear with good color accuracy. The battery life is below average, but it does support fast charging. Overall, if you're looking for a mid-range device for content creation work or for light gaming, like this kind of usages if you have, and you are in need of a big display laptop that gives good amount of battery life and performance, then this one is for you. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there.